Sprinkle this around your yard and ticks will stay away all summer long. Only a handful of people know this simple trick. An experienced gardener explained to me exactly why it's worth using and how often to apply this clever method. Start with food-grade diatomaceous earth, a natural rock rich in silica that comes in the form of a fine, light-colored powder. Many gardeners use it as a natural barrier against ticks and other small garden pests. Sprinkle a thin layer of diatomaceous earth around your garden beds and flower borders. Then apply it around your patio, walkways, and the areas where children play or pets spend the most time. Gently spread the powder with a rake or your hand so it evenly covers the soil and forms a protective layer. Diatomaceous earth can help reduce the presence of ticks as well as other pests, including ants, aphids, slugs, caterpillars, and spider mites. It also adds silica to the soil, helping support healthy soil without harming your plants. However, avoid dusting flowers directly, as the fine powder may make it more difficult for pollinating insects to reach pollen and nectar. For best results, apply diatomaceous earth on a dry day when the soil is completely dry. Reapply after any heavy rainfall, as rain gradually washes the powder away. With regular use, your yard can stay better protected from unwanted pests while your plants continue to thrive throughout the growing season. This easy gardening trick can save you time and help you enjoy your yard with fewer unwanted visitors all summer long. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Water your pansies with this, and they'll bloom like something out of a gardening catalog. Even droopy and weakened plants can look healthy and lush again. Take 1 banana and peel it. The peel is rich in potassium and nutrients that support flowering and improve overall plant health. Cut it into small pieces. Take a tall jar and add the prepared peel. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, which helps regulate soil pH and supports healthy growth. Then add 1 tablespoon of honey, which provides natural nutrients and supports beneficial soil microorganisms. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of milk to strengthen the plants and improve their condition. Pour in about 1 quart of water, mix well, seal, and let it sit. This is a simple homemade fertilizer for pansies. Water your plants with it once a week, and you'll quickly see results. Banana peel works au lignot as a natural fertilizer and provides valuable nutrients. If you're wondering how to strengthen your garden plants, this method really works. Your pansies will recover quickly and bloom abundantly. This fertilizer will save your orchid and help it bloom beautifully again. It's a homemade orchid fertilizer that strengthens the plant and protects it from diseases. If you're wondering how to get an orchid to bloom, this method can be the solution. When your orchid isn't flowering and its roots are dry and weak, it's worth making a homemade fertilizer. Add ground coffee to a bowl, as it contains nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus that support plant growth. Pour boiling water over the coffee to release the nutrients. Then mix everything thoroughly and let the mixture cool down. Place cheesecloth over a clean container and slowly pour in the prepared coffee mixture. Remove the cloth and add distilled water to the filtered liquid. Mix everything well so the ingredients combine properly. Pour half of the prepared liquid into another container. Then pour some of the mixture into a spray bottle. The first method is pouring the prepared coffee water directly onto the orchid's substrate. The second method is spraying the leaves, which helps remove diseases and small pests from the plant. Use this fertilizer once a week, and your orchid will reward you with beautiful, abundant blooms. Make a pink elixir for your plants. They'll be bushier than ever. Start by preparing a tall glass container. The key ingredient for this fertilizer is potassium permanganate, a substance with strong antiseptic and oxidizing properties. Add a small amount to the container, then pour in water and mix well. Next, take a lemon and cut it in half. Lemon is a natural pH regulator that helps plants absorb nutrients. In another container, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. This amazing ingredient helps neutralize excessive soil acidity and improve soil structure. Squeeze half the lemon into the container with the baking soda. Now, take the pink potassium permanganate solution and pour most of it into the container with the baking soda and lemon to achieve the right concentration. Then strain the fertilizer through a sieve to prevent lemon seeds from getting into the solution. Your pink elixir is ready. Use it once every 3 or 4 weeks, watering the plants at the base. With this natural fertilizer, your plants will become stronger, healthier, and more resistant to diseases. Try this method and see the spectacular results. Additionally, its flowers bloom longer and keep a more intense color. If you're wondering why your hydrangea will grow like this, try this trick. It's all about a special eco-friendly fertilizer made from orange peels. To prepare a homemade fertilizer for hydrangeas from orange peels, just follow a few steps. Peel the oranges, then spread the peels on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 2 hours. After that, take them out. Once they cool down, blend them. Transfer the blended peels into a jar. Using it is very easy and quick. Simply sprinkle it over the top layer of soil and add the peels. You can also turn this fertilizer into a perfect spray. Mix the peels from the jar with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Orange peels slightly acidify the soil, which is very beneficial for flowers. This natural fertilizer also works as a repellent against aphids. Your hydrangeas will look better than ever. These fertilizers will help you enjoy lush, blooming pansies. Pansies are wonderful flowers that require proper care. Today, I'll show you 2 easy-to-make fertilizers. The first is a coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds not only enrich the soil with necessary nutrients, but also improve its structure and prevent drying out. Just add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container, pour in a liter of water, stir, and let it sit for an hour. Then, pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is a yeast mixture. Dissolve 10 grams of yeast in a liter of lukewarm water. Yeast supports plant growth, especially for those that need large amounts of nutrients. Let the mixture sit for an hour, then pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well to keep your pansies healthy and blooming abundantly. Regular use of both fertilizers will improve the plant's condition and provide the right growing conditions. You'll definitely be pleased with the results.